Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook taro root. First, select firm taro roots that are free from any blemishes or soft spots. Next, carefully peel the skin using a vegetable peeler or a small knife. Be mindful that taro can cause skin irritation for some, so wearing gloves is advisable. Once peeled, cut the taro into uniform, bite-sized pieces, about 1-inch cubes, to ensure even cooking throughout your chosen method. For a simple preparation, you can boil or steam your taro. To boil, place the cut pieces in a pot of salted water and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are tender when pierced with a fork. Alternatively, steaming takes a bit longer, typically 20 to 30 minutes. Both methods yield a creamy, starchy texture, perfect for mashing or as a side dish. If you prefer a different texture, consider roasting or frying taro. To roast, toss the taro pieces with a tablespoon of oil and your favorite seasonings, then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until golden. For frying, thinly slice the taro and deep fry until crispy. These methods bring out a delightful nutty flavor and offer a satisfying crunch. Taro root is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can serve boiled or steamed taro as a comforting side dish, perhaps mashed with butter and herbs. Roasted taro works wonderfully in hearty stews or flavorful curries, adding a unique depth. Crispy fried taro makes an excellent snack or appetizer. Experiment with different spices and preparations to discover your favorite way to enjoy this delicious root vegetable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.